The demand for the electronics industry is continuously increasing as the world embraces groundbreaking advancements in AI and processing systems. Manufacturers must be prepared for demand fluctuations, requiring higher capacity, more automation, and an error-free environment. The Select Coat SL-1040 is a strategic advantage in this rapidly evolving industry. Equipped with automated maintenance protocols, Nordson once again pioneers with the patent-pending ultrasonic cleaning system and automated maintenance protocols that reduce downtime and extend machine life, ensuring continuous operation in high-demand environments. Featuring state-of-the-art triple valve technology to support a wide variety of valves and combinations, this system delivers best-in-class application. Enhanced by advanced solvent cups, each cup is automatically refilled, maintaining optimal levels without any manual intervention. A true set-and-forget functionality. Embrace the future of electronics manufacturing with a machine built for today's challenges and tomorrow's opportunities. To learn more, contact us today.